Hi, good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about some stretches you can do for people who have a lot of neck pain. Probably this is one of the number one things people are doing wrong when they have neck pain. And that is you start to feel pain in the back of your neck. Maybe you work at a computer and sit at a desk all day and you start to feel pain here. And so just like Melinda just did, your instinct is to stretch and to drop your head and to stretch these muscles. But I think that's the exact wrong thing to do, and here's why. We're gonna make like this rubber band is your muscles, and they're attached here on your spine and the base of your skull. So it's stretched about like that, not very far. If these muscles are tight, if this rubber band is tight, and I wanna give it some slack, is the right thing to drop the head forward and stretch the rubber band more? Or is the right thing to bring the head back and give the rubber band some slack? The right thing is to bring the head back and give the rubber band slack. So what's happening with people when they have painful necks or tight neck muscles, and we live our lives kind of hunched forward, holding babies, looking at computers, working on whatever's worked with, we get very tight through the chest. So the chest gets really tight, the muscles in the front of the neck get very tight, and the muscles in the back actually get stretched further, and they become very, very taut and very, very sore. So the best way to get rid of that, or to aid in getting rid of that, besides getting your chiropractic adjustment, is to stretch some of the front muscles, the anterior muscles of the neck. So Melinda's gonna show us a door stretch. It's real simple. She's just gonna now if this door frame were smaller, we'd do both at the same time. And then she's going to keep her head up, because a lot of people want to drop their head when they do this. Keep the head up and kind of lean forward, and you see that it's stretching her pectoralis and the anterior neck muscles, and it stretches them really good. Now we're gonna have you turn around and do it from the other side so we can see what you look like from the back. Notice her head does not drop forward. She's just leaning forward a little bit, and it's stretching through the front of her arm by the biceps tendon and the pectoral. And that is one stretch that we often incorporate for our patients who have neck pain. So when you're thinking about stretching, rather than dropping your head and actually perpetuating the problem, think about stretching out your chest muscles this way. Thanks. Have a good day.